I first want to say thank you so much for clicking on this video. I'm super glad that you're here. It means so much to me. But also this video is special for me today because I'm doing a collaboration with my beautiful friend Nathalia Fernandez here on YouTube. Nathalia is such a sweetheart and I'm so glad to be doing this collaboration with her today. Nathalia's channel is so much fun to watch. She often includes her mom, dad, sister, and husband. She even has a dog, 2 cats, and 14 chickens. You heard that right, chickens. It is her own little homestead. Nathalia also uploads videos on cooking, cleaning, organizing, meal prep, and she also does vlogs. In her video today, she will be making a chicken cordon bleu with a Brazilian twist, as well as an added bonus with some amazing banana chocolate chip muffins. So since Nathalia is going to be doing all the cooking today, I figured I would go ahead and do a quick kitchen cleanup, but I'm also going to be tackling my refrigerator. You guys know that with everything going on, we sometimes make multiple trips to the grocery store just to kind of grab anything and everything that we can, because you just don't know what you're gonna need and when you're gonna need it. But unfortunately, a lot of stuff that we got, we never used. Some of it did expire, and it's just a hot mess in there. So I thought that I would bring you guys a kitchen clean and a quick refrigerator clean out, hopefully to give you some motivation if you guys need to do the same thing. If you want to clean alongside me, that would be great too. I'm gonna have some good music in here and I've got a lot to do, so let's hurry up and get to it so we can get it all done.
Let me tell you this, let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss, still burning, didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile. It's impossible, not melting, irresistible. When I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. Taking me a while to get it. Had to live and cry to appreciate life, and what you give is worth it. When you're holding me, when you hold me so close, I want further in under your skin. Wanna leave a mark so that I can be sure that you remember what's been. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough.
So I've got the dishwasher loaded. Now all I'm gonna do is go ahead and wipe down the countertops, make sure everything is cleaned off so I have some space, and then I'm gonna start taking everything out of the refrigerator, throwing away anything that we don't need, anything that's gone bad, and then I'm gonna go ahead and wipe everything out. I probably won't take out like all the drawers and things like that and the shelves, because I did this not too long ago, but I do know they're dirty and I know they need to be wiped out, so that's what I'm going to do now.
So much farther, you're not rising, you're not rising. And let me tell you what I found, leaving everything behind, knowing there is more in life that I want. Now I wanna embrace life, you and I side by side, knowing there is more in life that I want. You make me feel good like no other. time, every day goes by so fast. And every moment counts, baby, I don't wanna miss a thing. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, under the stars. We can do what we like. We can do what we like, baby, while we're young. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, baby, while we're young. I used to wake up without confidence, till I woke up with you right by my side. I didn't think that you would show up like you did, and you turned my life upside down. Oh, your love has got me high, I never wanna say goodbye. It's like my world's on fire, like my world's on fire. This is where we're meant to be, singing to this melody. Oh, this melody. So sing, 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 sing. So sing, 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 sing. Oh, your love has filled my heart, blown my mind. Next to you, I feel fine. Oh, your love's got me high, high. I don't wanna lose you now, lose this dream, making this melody, melody. Could you stay with me forever? 'Cause I love everything about you, and I will follow you wherever. I can promise that I will always be true. Oh, your love has got me high, I never wanna say goodbye. It's like my world's on fire, like my world's on fire. This is where we're meant to be, singing to this melody, oh, this melody. Oh, so sing, 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 sing. Oh, your love has filled my heart, blown my mind. Next to you, I feel fine. Oh, your love's got me high, high. I don't wanna lose you now, lose this dream, making this melody, melody. So sing, 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 sing. 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 People come and people go through high streets we know. Dark and light, day and night. No one knows what the future will bring. All or nothing. God, I mean something when you're misunderstood. God, I mean something when you're up to no good. Misunderstood, this firewood keeps me sane. Like the teeth around my neck on my gold chain.
All right, guys, so this is all of the trash, everything that was bad, everything that had to come out of the refrigerator and go in the trash. And this is how the fridge looks now. I've got so much more space in there. I know we are probably going to go to the store this weekend, so I've got room to put everything. And I realized I can get a whole case of White Claw in my bottom shelf. So I'm excited about that. So I ended up moving all of our barbecues and sauces and things down because we don't, even though we use them a lot, we don't use them, you know, every day. So I put all of our condiments and things up here, and then all of our spices and stuff that we use more every day up there. Of course, all my butter and cheese up that way. Top shelf is looking good. I've got some cookies and pineapples, all of my butter, eggs, and these little cheeses. If you guys have not tried these, you definitely should. They're amazing. All of our drinks and such there. In this drawer, I just kept our cheese slices and shredded cheeses, and then just some sandwich meats. And then our biscuits and rolls here. Those are little bags of carrots. Those are Bodie's snacks. He's on a diet, so milk bone replacements right there. And then I just ended up putting olive Reuben's beer on the bottom. Okay, you guys, that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. It was just a really quick refrigerator clean out. These are the days that I wish I had a big, huge house with a big island, so I had space to put everything, and I had space for you guys to sit and see. I know the angles are kind of weird, but I have a little bit of space that I'm working with here, so forgive me on that. But like I said, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to go and check out Nathalia's channel. Tell her I said hello. Give her some love. Subscribe to her channel if you're not already. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, please consider clicking that button before you go. I would love to have you come back and be a part of my YouTube family. If you're still interested, go ahead and go through all my videos on the channel. Kind of take a look through, see what I do. If you enjoy it, then please consider clicking that button. And as always, I love you and I appreciate you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
I won't make it easy for you now. You summertime.